Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Java project which is entitled as oGBAC, a group-based access control framework for information sharing in online social network. So before seeing the execution of the project, let me brief about this project. In this project, we are going to develop an online social network with some framework called oGBAC. So authors in this paper have proposed this framework because in the existing there are some privacy disclosures which affects the users of the online social network. So for this purpose, the authors have proposed this secured framework. So in this secured framework, there are several policies, but they categorize those policies under two classes, that is administrator related rules and access related rules. So in this base paper you can see those rules and policies, but we cannot implement all the rules and policies, but we are going to implement the main objective of the paper with some important rules and policy. So first thing is, like, you can see the main architecture and procedures of the system. So we are going to implement this part, and here you can see the simplified access states for oGBAC model. So we are going to implement this part, and we'll be implementing one policy from each class. So let us see the execution of the project. So we have developed this project in Java and using the NETBEANS IDE 8.2. So first let me load this project. So go to file menu and click open project and select the source code location. And click open project. So kindly wait till the project is completely loaded and the status bar is completely finished here. And before running the project, make sure that you have attached the database in the MySQL. So now the project is completely loaded. Just right click it and click run. So this is the home screen or welcome screen of the project with the project title oGBAC, a group-based access control framework for information sharing in online social network, an abstract of the project which is mentioned in the base paper. And here you can see the entities, user and registration part. So as I am a new user, I don't have the user credential. So let me click login or registration part to sign up it. So in the registration part you can fill up these details to register. So let me enter the details. And here you can choose your profile picture. And select the password and click sign up. Now the registration is success and click OK. Now you can go to the login part. So here you can enter the credential that you have used using when registration is done. And once the credential is being authenticated, you can see the login is success and click OK. And once you can logged in, you can see that your profile with the profile details, and here you can see the option of timeline, tweet, create group, view groups, your post, people and messages with inbox, followers, following and logged out. So all the features that is available in the online social networks, we have done with those features. Let me show you all the process. So just click timeline. So in the timeline you can see who are all the users available and what all the posts they have posted. And the tweet, you can post the tweets or the post So just let me enter. And here you can see the option of setting the expiry date and time. So this is the feature, a new feature added to it. So let me set some date here. And you can post it. Now the post is posted successfully, and once if you go to the timeline, you can see this post. And in your post you can see only the post that you have posted, and here you have the access of controlling your post. So here you can see the post that you have posted, and you can see the posted date and which date you wanted to get expired and what is the access policy of it. So you can delete this post in case if you needed to delete it also. And if you click people, you can see who are all the other people who are available. So let me create a new one. So let me log out. So let me create a new user. Let me create some other user. So registration is success, and once if you log in, and here you can see the profile of this user. And if you go to the people, you can see the people who are all available. This is the other first user that I have created. If you wanted to click, you can follow this user, just click follow. You can make the user be followed and following successfully. And if you click following, you can see who are all the users that you are following. You can see it. So you can see who are all the users you are following. And if you wanted to message, that is direct message to the user instead of public tweet, you can just go to this message option. So just click message. And you can send some file and post it. Now let me log out from this user and go to the first user to show you the message. Now in the messages part, in the inbox bar, you can see the user who has messaged you, the username, the send time, the message, and the attachment that he has done. And if you wanted to follow this user, in following you can see there is no following because I am not following any person. So if you wanted to follow, you can just click people and you can follow the people whichever you wanted. And now let me create a group. So in the group name, let me create a group called Java Developer Group. And let me select some images for it. Let me select some image for it and click submit. And now the group is created successfully, and you can go to view groups. So here you can see the groups. So if you wanted to add some members, you can add the members. Just click add member. If you wanted to click some member, you can add the member. And if you wanted to view the post available in the group, click view post. So there is no any post available right now in this group. And if you wanted, you can add the members here by clicking add. So in the base paper, so here you can see the administrator related rule, where the policy of create is like the user can able to, the administrator who has created the group can create the group, and also they can add the group. So we have implemented these two policy. So next we'll see about the access related policy. So in the access related policy, you can post the details. Just go to the group first. And you can post the separate post in this group only. This is a group post, and this post will not be viewed in the public forum. So here you can set the access policy. So if you wanted to view this group, this post only to the group, you can select group, or if you wanted to select in both, you can select both. So let me select only to the group. And if you wanted to set the expiry date, you can set the expiry date here. So let me set some expiry date here. And if you wanted to attach some attachment, you can make the attachment, and you can make the post. And this also comes under the policy that is mentioned in the paper. And here you can see the post, the write, read and repost, and you can see the delete or time expired. So once the date and time is set to the expire the post, or it automatically the post will be deleted, or in case if you wanted to delete it manually also, you can able to delete it. So here you can see this is a group post. This will not be viewed in the timeline. You can see this is not viewed in the timeline. So in case if you wanted to view in the both in the timeline, so just let me add some of the post again. This post is a sample to view on both with access policy. So this is a sample content that I am going to post, and I am going to select the access policy as both, and let me select some date here to expire and some attachment here, and then click post. And now you can see this post, that is the second post that I have made, that is on the group it is shown, and if you go to the timeline of the public also, you can see this post is being viewed. You cannot see the other post that I have done to the group because that access policy is set only for the group and not to the public. And if you click your post, you can see the post that you have made it, and in case if you wanted to delete something, you can just delete it. Just I'll select this one and delete and show you. And now you can see the post is deleted. Let me go to the timeline and show you, and here you can see the post that I have made this be deleted. And let me go to the view groups and show you. And here you can see the post that I have made, second post to the group, is also deleted because the access is being given to the user to delete the post also. And this is all about the project oGBAC, a group-based access control framework for information sharing in online social networks. And thank you for watching.